Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Modo Irene and I'll be talking about how to reduce sunscreen white cast. I know some of us that have sunscreens that leave a white cast on our skin feel very uncomfortable using the sunscreen. Yeah, I've been there. I got a sunscreen and I didn't know that when I apply it, I'll be looking like a ghost. Because of that, I rarely use sunscreens to some places like work, parties, dinner night, and all those stuff. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reduce sunscreen white cast. Now let's get right into the video. So I know you might be wondering, why do some sunscreens give white cast while others don't? Now the clear difference is this. Most sunscreens that have white cast on the skin are usually mineral sunscreen, and this is because of the presence of zinc oxide and titanium oxide present in this mineral sunscreen. That is why it leaves off a white cast on your skin. While the other type of sunscreen is the chemical sunscreen. These ones blend into your skin and they still do the work. They blend into your skin, they don't leave any white cast. So now let's get into the steps to reduce sunscreen white cast on your face. First thing you should do is that do not apply a mineral sunscreen on a dry skin. You have to apply it immediately after your moisturizer. This will reduce the white cast. Number 2, do not smudge the sunscreen on your face. You pat the sunscreen into your face because when you smudge it, it leaves us more appearance of this white cast. So it is advised that you pat the sunscreen gently into your face. Number 3, time is of the essence. Using mineral sunscreen, you need to be patient. You need time for application. When you take a little amount, you apply on the face gently. You wait for 10 seconds. You apply another set on top of the already applied one on your face. So when you do this like 3 times, the sunscreen sits into your skin and then it will not leave off so much white cast on your face. So the next one is using tinted mineral sunscreen. Tinted mineral sunscreen are simply mineral sunscreen that has color base in them. This color base gives off a neutral or natural color that actually blends with your skin without leaving off so much white cast on them. Another one is putting on makeup after you apply sunscreen. Some people apply makeup first before they apply their sunscreen. But in this case, because you're using a mineral sunscreen that will leave off white cast on your face, it is advised that you apply this mineral sunscreen first before putting on a makeup and then finish it off with a bronzer. This gives a more natural and blended look on the skin. Why using mineral sunscreen? After application, you have to allow the sunscreen to set on your face, and this takes about 10 to 20 minutes before it blends to your face and the white cast begins to disappear. So I advise that you need so much patience while using this mineral sunscreen. And this mineral sunscreen is the best kind of sunscreen because it has higher coverage from UV rays on the skin. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to put on the notification bell because I post videos every week. I hope to see you in my next video.